Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome to Most Wanted Ventura County. Please remember all suspects are wanted as of the date in their profile. Please do not try to apprehend or contact the wanted suspects you're about to see. Let's begin the show. Anita Clark has 2 violation of probation warrants on 2 charges of petty theft with prior theft convictions. If you recognize her, please contact Crime Stoppers. Bryce Miller has 2 violation of probation warrants on transportation of drugs and being under the influence of drugs. If you recognize Bryce, please contact Crime Stoppers. Corey has 2 violation of probation warrants for unlawfully driving or taking of a vehicle and possession of a controlled substance. If you recognize her, please contact Crime Stoppers. Francisco has a parole warrant for failing to report. He is currently on parole for lewd acts with a child and has failed to register as a sex offender. If you recognize him, please contact Crime Stoppers. Luis has 4 violation of probation warrants for possession of a controlled substance, 2 charges for being under the influence of drugs, and resisting arrest. If you recognize Luis, please contact Crime Stoppers. Sean has 4 violation of probation warrants for transportation of drugs, 2 charges of possession of a controlled substance, and burglary. If you recognize Sean, please contact Crime Stoppers. Stephen has a failure to appear warrant for possession of a controlled substance and possession of an ejection device. If you recognize Stephen, please contact Crime Stoppers. Please remember there are other ways to submit a tip. I'll provide information on how to do that in the description. Don't forget to subscribe because we do upload videos weekly. It's good to keep up to date on Ventura County's Most Wanted. Thanks for watching.